I'm showing these people how to truly fix a hairline crack, a settlement crack actually. A lot of people, they really don't know how. Normally this stuff is sticky, but this tape is old. So normally you would just stick it on there and it will stay. Maybe this wheel feels like it's got a little grip, but if it doesn't, then I'll switch out and spackle again. Oh, that one got a little grip. Got a little. The oils ain't run out on this yet. Alright. So that's what you do. You get your mesh tape, you put it across your hairline crack, like so. You have your spackle ready to go. Alright. You don't have to play with it much. This was a hairline crack right here. As you can see, some of the mesh tape likes to fray. What you do is you let that dry. You know, depends. You might have to cut a few pieces out or sand it out. This one's good enough. I'll be able to just go right over it. So, here's what you do. Pick an end and swipe. That's all I do. I put it on nice and heavy and come back and sand it out. Now, a lot of times I will stay light so I don't have to sand like crazy. And this is medium. This ain't like heavy, but it ain't light neither. It's just heavy enough to cover the grooves, heavy enough that I ain't gotta play with it, but light enough that it ain't gonna kill me to sand. You guys should follow me on YouTube. I just recently started a YouTube page. I'm gonna be promoting my work, and I'm gonna be showing little things that homeowners can do themselves, like fix a hairline crack. It's real simple. Boom, we got drops and cloths under us, so we're good in that department. Boom. You come back, keep your blade on about a 60-degree angle, and just wipe it down a little bit. Pull tight, without going too tight, and then boom. That's ready to go. When this dries, you sand it down, they put a nice little skim coat over it, and I promise you, you'll never see that crack again. That crack won't come back. You might have a seam pop up somewhere else, but if you do it this way with at least 2 coats, it's supposed to be a 3-coat process, but if you know what you're doing, you get away with 2. And that's what you do. That's how you blend. That's how you fix a hairline crack. You need spackle pan, spackle blade, and spackle. You need a roll of mesh tape. Okay? This is mesh tape. I hate when it starts in a frame like that. You gotta stop it somehow. Alright? And then I have a 5-1. Always keep a 5-1 with me. There goes your lesson on how to fix a hairline crack for the day. DMP Painting.